Good evening guys. I am back with another video today, and today I am going to show you that how to install a Facebook pixel on your website. So without wasting any time, let's get that started. So what first let me show you website. Like you can see, this is my website. You can see it here from here, and this is my website. As you can see, but this is not hosted. So let me tell you how to install a Facebook pixel. So as you can see, this is my website, but it is not on any domain. So I will just show you how to install a pixel on it. So first what you have to do is you have to go to your Ads Manager and then go to Facebook pixel. For this you must have a Facebook business account, a Facebook business page. So then you can install any pixel. So let's just start this. As you can see here, this is Facebook pixel. So let's just start with Facebook. Manually add code to website. So what we will do, we will just copy this, and as this is my website and this website is on Blogger, as you can see. So I am on Blogger account, and what I will do is just come to theme. There is my theme. So what I will do is add it as HTML. And like this, it said copy and paste just above this tag. So what we will do is first search this tag in this, and you can just search here this tag. So what we have to do is just paste. We have to post it just there, and then what we can do is save our theme. So code is added to our website. You can we can pass, but this will not work because my website is not on any domain, so this will block. But let's just try. As you can see here, it's still loading. Since we haven't received any events, so it haven't received any, because we have website not on any domain, or like as you can see, no pixel found, because my website is not currently live, but it is on free domain. So what you can check, how you can check is you can go to Chrome store, or you can simply go from here, Chrome apps. You can go to Chrome web store, and you can search Facebook pixel helper. And you can add it to the Chrome like it is, and you can see any of the website. Like let me tell you a website, one of my client. Let me tell you a website related of one of my client. So here you will see like this. You can see Facebook pixel installed, like I have installed it. So yes, you can see it from here. So what you have to do is just copy that code which is provided under your head tag and just when you will save this, code, so then you will get your pixel installed. And once you get your pixel installed, you get all the data, that how much your, like this you can see here, how much how much your traffic on your website. So view details, you can see it from here, like 3 events there. We can track everything, like we can track URLs also. So you can see our one of your URL, one of our Teespring, my store is on Teespring, so yes, people visited there. So yes, you can install it from here and you can track all of them, and you can also retarget them. So that's the easiest way to install a Facebook pixel in the blogger or in the website, or in the any of the, if you have WordPress website, you can install this on under your header.php web file, and you can install it there. So just this is the that's it. So I hope you will like the video, so make sure to like and subscribe also. Thank you.